Good morning, dear students. Uh, I am going to have a lesson, a plan for class 7 Jupiter, Mars, and Venus. The students of my section, it is about geography subject. I am going to give you online some idea about the class lessons because unfortunately there are some problem, so we need to communicate with you through different mediums, and one of the medium is online and video. So let us start our work. What to do? It will be about a very short lesson. Please take care and understand it carefully. If you have any further question, you can write to me by the class tune. So let us start that what we have done previously. Previously, we have completed the chapter that we call it ecotourism. Ecotourism is a very vital subject in the whole world. It is about tourism, environment, the mass tourism, global tourism. All these matters are included in this chapter. This chapter is also beneficial to the people, and also sometimes it has some disadvantages because of the tourism. Tourism is becoming an industry. It has become an industry, and in Bangladesh also it is one of the largest industry. So from that chapter we have learned that tourism is very important for the local people because it gives us money. It brings money, and local people who are unemployed, they get opportunities to do the work, and they can live comfortably with their families. After this chapter we come to the last chapter, that is Brazil. Brazil is one of the case study. Actually, it is a model. Here we can understand about the Brazil country, the people, and what are the conditions in that country prevailing. It's a very big country, huge country, and we do understand that it has a land of contrast. The people they are living, some of the people are very rich, some of the people are very poor, and they have many problems, and problems are like the countries that we have in our region, Southeast Asian countries. By studying this chapter, we'll find out that Brazil has a people population which is giving them good strength as resources also. It is that the changing is happening, like the changes it happens in Malaysia, in China, like Brazil also is changing, but the change is not coming so quickly as the developed countries or other developing countries. These regions, they have problems, they have solutions, and more and more people are time to time migrating from the country rural area to the city, as it is in Bangladesh also. The people who are living in countrysides, villages, they, because of their fundamental right, basic needs, they transform themselves and come to the city life where they can have odd jobs. But the education background, education system is not that good for those people who are migrating from the villages to the cities. Moreover, they have to live in a certain area which is crumbled. We can call them as fabulous, and because of their living in fabulous, they do not have the basic opportunity that the normal person should get. But whatever it is, that the Brazil is developing, and it is developing in many sectors: business, finance, and also the people's lifestyle. So we can see this case is a development in the general area, and if you compare this developing country to others, we'll find out that yes, in the years to come, Brazil, most of the people in Brazil will be benefited by the change. So students, you have been given homework through ClassTunes. Please download the ClassTune, find out, do the work in writing, and keep studying. Keep studying for the better days to come. Best of luck. Thank you.